Right, very quick video. Latest generation 75 plate Audi RS6 beaming to us for our ultimate safety alert camera system and some security upgrades. So I'll just quickly show you what we've done in here, so it gives you an idea. So inside the vehicle we've got latest generation Genevo Pro2M. This is also laser based radar and GPS. The front laser radar head is actually concealed in the opposite side to the radar on the grille within the system, and then this is also linked to the laser track flare system as well, so all the alerts and everything come through there. We've also got the target Blueye 2, which is the emergency service vehicle system, and that's basically installed there. We've also installed the latest Autowatch Ghost, but the main is obviously Genevo Pro2M, target Blueye 2, as well as laser track flare, which we've incorporated the hidden button on this side if you do want to disable that as well. So if you're looking for the ultimate protection in Audi RS6 or other high performance vehicles, then please get in touch with us here at TTW Installations.